y'all, and welcome to my channel. This is Patty. Thank you so much for hopping on. I'm about to make a nice Cajun dish. Right here I have some chuck roast that's been cubed up, and it's over 2 pounds. I got this from Whole Foods for $16.64. I'm sorry. And I'm going to use sausage. I have some chicken andouille and some beef sausage here that's going in my dish. And I have my pot here with a little oil in it. I am going to season my meat, my beef, and I'm going to batter it in flour. And these are some of the seasonings, dry seasonings that I'm going to put in. I have salt, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Cavender's Greek seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And I have some yellow golden potatoes that I have cut up here. And I have onion that I'm going to put in, and I'll make a roux for this. But right now I'm going to get started. I'm going to put my meat in a little vinegar water for about 15 minutes, and then I'll get it all seasoned and get it all battered and put it in the pot here and brown it. And then when I'm done with that, I'll put the sausages in there and brown them a little, and then I will get ready to start my putting my onions in and let them sweat a little, and then put some flour in, and I'll have equal parts flour, equal parts the oil, probably maybe a fourth cup of flour, fourth cup of oil, and I will start my roux. But I will pause right here and come back. Okay, guys, I have the chuck roast in the pot, in the Dutch oven, and it is browning. I'm going to brown these pieces, and I have about another pound to put in here to brown, and then I'll put the sausage in and get that all browned up, and then I'll start putting the roux together, and I'll come right back. Okay, these are the sausages that are browning right now. I've already browned those chunks of beef, and I'm gonna take these out of the pot, and then I'll put my onions in. And after my onions sweat a little bit, I'll put a little flour in there. Then I'll put all the meat in there, and I'll come right back. Okay, y'all, this is the Cajun dish. Look at all that rich brown gravy. You got your sausages, onions, green onions, and some red peppers. Let me show you some sweet red peppers in it. Look at that. And it's going to simmer down. I brought it to a rolling boil, and now I'm going to let it simmer for about an hour, and I'll put the top on it, and we'll come back in an hour or so. We want to get our beef completely tender and get our sausages well cooked, though I have browned everything, and here it is. But I'll come back and show you. This is a pot of goodness. This is Cajun style sausage and beef today, with all of the good seasonings, dry seasonings, and the vegetables. You can see here. All right, we'll come back shortly.